All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Dude, today was crazy. This is how SPY looked this morning. It was a little choppy. Boom, we play it out. Finally get that break above and go. Broke through the next level. This guy just went, never came back. Like what? And then came back. And then also bounced like crazy. Like that was a 594 bounce to 597, another $2 bounce. That was at the end of the day though, so whatever. Spot was gorgeous. Tesla, caught Tesla as well. Open, grabbed this bounce right here on this wick, and actually just took profits here. So that was 344 to 350. So that was a $6 move. That's a great move. It did go higher, but whatever. I was done for the day. It was 9 o'clock. That was good. I really pushed that trade out to the Discord because it happened so fast. I did say 344 bounce. Some people capitalized and caught it. Some people didn't. I don't know what to tell you. Can't call everything out live, but I give watch lists for a reason. You know, if it's above this, it'll go to this. That's just simple levels trading. Um, and then we broke below, came back and rejected right here again. So that will be an interesting one. And then Meta also ended up hitting TP, but man, I was so tired of holding Meta. I bought Meta here. I actually think I sold here. Yeah, I mean I sold on one of these groups, but that was still a good trade. I mean, caught it around 665, 666. Took it to about 669. So we're still looking at a $3 move. Just NVIDIA, man. NVIDIA just went so crazy. That one level to level. I was actually waiting for NVIDIA like all day, and I forgot to look at it. I forgot to watch it this morning. So that is definitely getting journaled to make sure that I'm watching all my stuff. Uh, Other than that, guys, we could really just get right into the levels now. So, sauce for the day, levels, bro. Look at this. All right, kind of went over it in the last video. Um, levels, man. Like, if you see that we got rejected hard here, but the next time we broke it, we went crazy. We're likely to break this level again, right? So, as soon as we break through the ceiling, right, this is resistance, this is support, okay? So if we broke the support, then we could see a down move, right? Because we just broke through the floor. So then we go to the next floor, right? That's just going floor to floor. Whereas far as resistances, these are the ceiling. So we're popping through the ceiling out of the hole onto the floor, and then now up to the next floor through the ceiling becomes floor, right? So resistance, support. Resistance becomes support as soon as you break through it. And then support becomes resistance when you break below it. So like just knowing that alone is huge. I think Tesla was like a beautiful reversal today. Um, I think my girl actually caught it. So if you missed this whole uptrend, right, you can just wait for it to reverse. We started seeing some overbought levels. We're at 80 on the RSI. 2 is probably, yeah. I mean, that was nice. So you go to the 5 minute, boom, you get a bearish engulfing that makes the newer low, right? So as soon as that happens, I mean, you get this whole move. Boom, wait for the retest, take it here and go. But she actually entered here, um, which was beautiful. So it was just, here's stop loss, and there you go. I mean, we were super weak. Bearish volume took over. Like volume is also key. You know, you start seeing this happen with that, right? Like this was equal, so it could have kept going. Then the next one, bears took over. Boom, 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 took over. By that time, we're falling. So I mean, you could even wait for the break of here, but see how it just didn't come back. So you would have had to wait till 350 again to take it to 344. But that's like at the end of the day. So this afternoon reversal was beautiful. That's just telling, we just boom, lower high right below here, right? So like this is now resistance. So we break, boom, come up. This right here becomes resistance. All right, we break above this and hold. All right, now then we can stop out. All right, because then we're gonna come grab liquidity up here. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. And that's pretty much how levels work. I mean, you gotta trust your levels too. I think Spy was. Oh no, Nvidia, dude. I mean, Spy was fire too. Nvidia levels. This was key level. I mean, this was like textbook setup. Break above previous day high. So all right, we get huge bullish move, right? Perfect. People probably could have thought this was puts because this was a resistance, right? It got rejected here on Monday. Well, guess what? Today we broke and closed through and bounced right off of this previous day's high and went straight to this liquidity resting up here. And that's just, I mean, this was first TP, right? And that's where it went. This whole area, I literally put on one of my levels, I put here is the full port calls, but I didn't do it. So um, that's how important levels are. And then even when you're in the trade, just switch to the 15-minute, bro. Switch to the 15-minute. Take your eyes off it. Just use the previous wick as a stop loss, right? Stop out here if you want to. But this is beautiful, so I would definitely I would have held to TP today on that. That was gorgeous. So yeah, levels, levels, levels.